whether it is a odd function or even function, both odd and even, neither odd nor even. Okay, so here remember that either the function is only odd or even, neither odd nor even. But it's not like that both odd and even. They don't give like that. Third option almost it is uh, wrong. Okay, we won't give third option. Both will be odd and even. It does not exist. Neither are nor even. Okay, example. If you see the example for neither are not even, x cube plus x power 4. X cube is a odd function. X power 4 is a even function. If I take the function like this, it is neither odd nor even. Okay, so here the given function, we need to check whether it is odd or even. For that, what to do? Just replace x by minus x. Just we have to find f of minus x value. It is equal to either we will get plus of f of x or minus of f of x. If we get plus of f of x, then even. Minus of f of x, odd. That we know very well, right? Okay, before that, if we replace x by minus x in greatest integer function, is it equal to minus of that value or plus? We can't say. First, I'm going to simplify. I'm going to simplify this greatest integer alone. So what is the greatest integer? 2 times of denominator. I'm going to take just denominator also. X plus 21 by pi. So I want to write separately. Plus 21 pi by pi minus 41. Am I right? So now 2 times of x by 11. This is 21 minus 41. And here, look at here. It is a 21. Shall I write here any function? All of you observe here. 21 plus something will be there, like a 0.1 will be there. Shall I write this is equal to greatest integer of 21 plus 0.1? Am I right? It may be 0.1, it may be 0.2, whatever it is.
Sir,
Shall I write? Yeah.
Sir, it is x by pi only, no, sir?
Sorry, x by pi. Okay, x by pi is some value. If I give x value some 1 to pi is clearly we know that 3.14. X by 3.14 is there. Okay, anyhow, here integer is there. 21 is the integer. See, if x plus n is any integer, it can be written as x plus the greatest integer of n. N is belongs to z. So whenever integer, this is clearly x plus, you can write small n. 21 becomes 21 only here. 21 plus greatest integer of 0.1. And 0.1 is 0. But here, how can I write here? Here 21 is an integer. Shall I write this is equal to 2 times of a bracket, I'm taking as open bracket, x by pi greatest integer of x1, then 21. Shall I write? We'll write like this, minus 41. Okay, since I applied this property, if n is any integer, we can write like this. N is, it should be a positive integer actually. See, 21 plus 21 is there, not minus 21. Even it is plus 21 or minus 21, we'll get output is same. Okay, right? What is minus 21? Minus 21. Plus 21, plus 21. So now you can multiply with 2 times of greatest integer of 11 by pi plus 2 into 21, 42 minus 41. So this is equal to 2 times of greatest x by pi plus 1. Okay, finally we got. Now, I want to replace this value in given function. So what is the function value they given? 2x. Okay, when I replace x by minus x here, x by minus x, what will happen here? 2 into minus x sine x plus sine of minus x tan of minus x. Okay, So anyhow, I'm going to write the function here. The f of x finally x into sin x plus tan x all divided by what amount denominator. Shall I write denominator in place of 2 into x by pi? 21 21 is can I write like this simply 2 times of greatest integer of x by pi plus 1. Now, which implies, now we have to check whether it is even or odd. For that, I want to find f of minus x. F of minus x is equal to minus x sine of minus x plus tan of minus x by 2 times of minus x by pi minus x by pi plus 1 minus x by pi plus 1. So there is a property again. Remember that with the help of a greatest integer property. So what is the property we have here? The property is, I'm going to write any negative value. For example, I'm taking any real number or any integer, we can write like this. Minus n is there. It can be written as minus. I want to take minus outside. I want to write just greatest integer of n. For that, what to do? Minus 1 minus 1. This is a property. Always it is true for every real number. What is the property? See here it is same as greatest integer of minus n. Shall I write this value as see minus x. Okay, what is sine minus theta? Sine of minus x is shall I write minus sine x. Tan of minus x shall I write minus tan x. All divided by denominator shall I write here. When I take here minus a's outside, then it can be written as 2 times of minus 1 minus of x by pi. Then plus 1. We can write like this. This is a property of greatest integer function. It is for only negative value of n. N is belongs to any real number. It may be even integer also. Integer that time it will becomes like so almost here x by 3.14 mostly we are going to get a decimal values generally. Anyhow, so here so now what is the simplify this? All of you simplify minus 2. All of you simplify that. Minus take it outside in numerator, minus into minus plus. So we are going to get the same function here. So final numerator is here 2 times of 2 will be there. Okay. You can write. I will write. Okay. So 2 times of minus into minus plus. So numerator will get as it is sin x plus tan x. Because minus into minus plus. Denominator alone, we multiply with 2 here, minus 2 times of x by pi plus 1. Am I right? Am I right? So this is equal to 2x sin x plus tan x by 2x. Then what about the value here? Remaining value minus 2 into x by pi minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. When I take here, yeah, when I take x is minus 2 common, when I take minus 2 common, what shall I write here? 2x sin x plus tan x by minus 2 when I take minus 2 common here, x by pi minus plus 1 by 2. Shall I write 1 by 2? Yes, we can write. Okay. So finally, now minus you can write here. Minus x6 get cancelled. Okay. X6 get cancelled. Then finally, what is the value we got? X6, sorry, 2 get cancelled. Finally, we got x sin x plus tan x whole divided by uh, x by pi plus 1 by 2. Okay, students. So what we can conclude here? What about the function, even function or odd function? These questions are, you can be very careful here. Okay. So I'm taking denominator. Finally, denominator value we got at. Okay, here actually 2. In the question they give 2x like that. Okay. Anyhow, finally we got minus of that value. Minus. Okay. So 2 will be there, 2x will be there. Even now you no need to take 2 common also. Finally, we got this value 2 times of x by 11 plus 1. Okay. Finally, this is equal to minus of f of x. Look at it. If I don't cancel, if I won't take 2 common and all, we cannot cancel. Again, this is directly f of x alone. So f of minus x is equal to, finally we got minus of f of x. Even function or odd function. What are the functions, friends? Even or odd?
Odd.
Odd function. Even no need to take common, no need to cancel also. Take just simply here itself, we can write directly. It can be written as directly minus 2x sin x plus tan x all divided by just 2 times of x by 5 plus 1. This is clearly again f of x. So f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. So odd function. Next question. I may ask for even the emails or advanced above question. Okay, let us say 8th one. 8th one is, if the real valued function f of x is equal to a power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1 is even, then n is equal to. The function already it is even, so that what is the condition for even f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. If they mention odd, f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x, right? So I'm taking the condition over here. Clearly, f of x even. When f of x is even, f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. Yeah, f of x already given. F of x is a power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1. Okay, with the help of that, just replace x by minus x over here. A to the power of minus x by, minus x minus 1 all divided by minus x whole power n into e to the power of minus x plus 1 is equal to same function a power x minus 1 by x power n bracket a power x plus 1. See, I'm taking the condition f of minus x is equal to f of x. Clearly, they're given f of x is even. For that, a power minus x can be written as a power x minus 1 whole divided by. See, shall I write here minus x whole power n as minus 1 whole power n into x power n? Shall I write like that? Yes, we can write. In the bracket again, 1 by a power x plus 1 is clearly equal to a power x minus 1 by x power n, a power x plus 1. Anything will be cancelled on both sides. Yes, x power n will cancel. Now you can take LCM in numerator and denominator. Take LCM numerator and denominator here. A4x 1 minus A4x all divided by minus 1 whole power n into, then again take LCM is A power x here, 1 plus A power x. And the right side is A power. When I take minus common here, student, what is happened? Minus common here, A power x minus 1 by A power x plus 1. Now what it will be cancelled? Can I cancel minus A power x, A power x? Then can I cancel? Okay.
Sir, 1 minus A power x will come in right.
Yeah, this when I take minus common, where we are going to get 1 minus A power x. Then these two also get cancelled. All will be cancelled. What is the remaining value? Remaining value?
1 by minus 1 power n equal to 1.
Yeah, is equal to minus 1. Nothing but simple. Minus 1 whole power n is equal to minus 1. For what value of n it will be minus 1? That is the question. Yes, students?
Sir,
What are the options?
3.
3.
Yeah. So if we substitute 2 by 3 positive, 2 is positive, 1 by 4 is also, we don't get as negative. So the answer will be 3. And this is fourth option is correct. Then here, next fifth question. F is an even function. Again, here also they clearly mention that f is an even function on the interval minus 5 comma 1. Then find the total number of real value functions. Okay. So then, how can you do that here? Here also same. F of, the thing is f of minus x is equal to f of plus x. Okay. F of, so you should not be confusing that here. Clearly the function they given, like f of x is equal to f of x plus 1 by x plus 2. Nothing but you have to replace here x by minus x, because you have to find f of minus x. F of minus x plus 1 by minus x plus 1. So this is clearly equal to f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. Nothing but what? X plus 1 by x plus 1. Okay. So just we have to equating here these two values. These two values, minus x plus 1 by minus x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 1. Equating both the values, we are going to get a x value. That you can do, that is easy only. Now let us go for the next questions here. Question number 10. Question number 10. So what is the question number 10? Let the function f of x is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 8. 8 log 1 plus modulus x be defined on the interval closed interval 0 to 1. See here, actually the domain of log is open interval 0 to infinity, but 1 plus x is there. So when you substitute 0 value here, we are going to get log 1. So it is defined. Even we can include 0 also. Generally, the domain of logarithmic function is 0 to infinity, right? Okay, students. Then the even extension of f of x of the interval minus 1 comma 1 is minus 1 comma 1 is. So what to do, student, here? Yes. See, when you replace here, what shall we do here? What they given here? The function they defined like this, and the even extension of f of x. When you see that even extension of f of x always here, the interval is what? What is the interval? 0 to 1. But even extension of the interval, in which interval? Minus 1. So when I multiply with minus here we are going to get minus 1 comma 0. When I multiply to this 0 to 1, minus you can multiply. So minus 1 comma 0 we are going to get. Okay. So what to do here? Even extension. And also here they given the function. I'm going to explain you very clearly here. This is somewhat logical questions here. Okay. Here two types of conditions we are going to get actually. So what are the two types of conditions we are going to get? Even extension. All of you take like f of x is equal to say f of minus x, that is nothing but f of minus x is equal to f of x. Then the function f of x is even. That we know very well. Am I right? Right. Now all of you find f of minus x value. So what is the given function here? 3x square minus 4x. 3x square minus 4x plus 8 log of 1 plus modulus x. Am I right? This is the given function. Okay. Then all of you find this value f of minus x value. F of minus x again 3x square minus it minus plus 4x. Then remaining 8 log 1 plus modulus x will be same. Okay. Right now. So the here minus becomes plus. So here two intervals will be there. The function they defined on the interval 0 to 1. But when we replace x by minus x, so what is the interval it will becomes when I x by minus x means what should we multiply here? X. Okay, the given function they define for x belongs to 0 comma 1. When I replace x by minus x, then minus x belongs to minus 1 comma 0. Okay, right? But here this is simple logical question. Here x belongs to 0 to 1, the function will be minus 4x. X belongs to like minus 1 comma 0, x belongs to minus 1 comma 0, that will be plus 4x. Finally, for negative value like minus of minus, it will become 4. Here the function should consist of both the sign. See, logical question, 0 to 1 it is minus 4, minus 1 to 1 it is plus 4. Okay, minus 1 plus 4. For they asking the question in the interval minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 to plus 1, how can you represent the function now? How can you represent the function? Because here even extension. So f of minus x is equal to f of x. So that according to that, which of the following options should satisfy both the condition minus 4x as well as plus 4x? Yes, students? From minus 1 to 1, it should be satisfied both the condition, only first option. Why? Modulus x, having two cases, x greater than or equal to 0, x lesser than 0. Okay, both it will cover minus 4x value plus 4x value. Correct? X greater than 0, minus x lesser than 0. So only first option. Here no need to do anything. Just they define the function 0 to 1. Just replace x by minus x. We are going to get interval is minus 1 comma 0. But the given interval is minus 1 comma 1. So that first option alone satisfies both the conditions. Okay. Right. Next. Yeah. This is symmetric about the line y is equal to minus x. So student here, they define the function from R to R, domain real number, codomain real number. The function should be invertible. When you take f inverse also, this is also defined from R to R only, R to R, such that f of x and f inverse of x are symmetric about the line. Can you draw the line y is equal to minus x? Yes, this is the line y is equal to minus x. Am I right? Simple question. If I draw the graph here, they are asking about here It is symmetric about. Symmetric, nothing but can anyone tell that what is the meaning of symmetry? These are the level 3. Level 3 problem means which belongs to mains as well as advanced, right? X-axis, y-axis. This line will represent y is equal to minus x. Nothing but y is equal to minus. You can compare it with y is equal to mx. M value is minus 1. Nothing but tan theta is minus 1. So theta is equal to minus 45 degrees. So it will be clockwise direction. It is 45 degrees. So this is y is equal to minus 6 line. The given function is symmetric about this line. Y is equal to minus x. Nothing but whatever you take image, its image you will get. For example, if you take that image like here, any value like this, I'm taking the graph of the curve like this. We are going to get like this. Because with respect to the line y is equal to minus x, it is symmetric. If we having the curve like this, its image like this, we are going to get like this. Okay, if we get like this, it will belongs to, and first quadrant image will get in third quadrant. Okay, so clearly it is symmetric about y is equal to minus x. Then what about the function, whether f of x is odd function or f of x and f inverse of x may not be symmetric about the line y is equal to x. Already they given y is equal to minus x, it is symmetric. Okay, then what can you conclude, students? Whether it is third option may not be odd. F inverse of x may be odd. Yes. So what about first of all? That is invertible and both will be symmetric about the line y is equal to minus x. Am I right? So when y is equal to minus x means what to do here? Yes, students. I told you know here, when with a line, simply understood that this is y is equal to minus x. If I take the graph, any graph in first quadrant, where its image we are going to get in third quadrant. Okay, if I take any point in the first quadrant like x comma y, generally in third quadrant, minus x and minus y both will be negative, right? So if the function f of x will be in first quadrant, f inverse will be in third quadrant. Okay, and if I take the function x comma y is lies on this graph, minus x minus y lies in this. If I take this function as f of x, its inverse if I take like f inverse of x here. Okay, if x comma y should be like x comma y means you can take some alpha comma beta also, no problem. Minus alpha minus beta. So alpha beta should be lies on the graph of y is equal to f of x. Then minus alpha minus beta should be lies on the graph f inverse of x. Okay, so like that. Otherwise, if you take alpha comma beta lies on the f inverse of x, minus alpha minus beta lies on the f of x. Okay, in this question also it is like a simple question. So nothing but what positive becomes negative. Here alpha should be equal to minus alpha. If I take here f of x, here f inverse of x. Beta is minus beta. So plus beta is f of x minus beta and f inverse of x. So nothing but when we have seen that f of minus x is equal to we got minus of f of x. What about that alpha is equal to minus of alpha? If I take alpha as f of x, shall I write this is equal to minus of f of x? Nothing but clearly it will represent a odd function. When f of x is odd, because if they give y is equal to plus x, you know, it is even. Simply remember here, when the given line, given function symmetric about the line y is equal to plus x means even function. Y is equal to minus is given already. When you give positive values of x, y becomes negative. When we give input positive, output we are getting negative. Same value, yes or no? If we give +1, we are getting output is -1. Okay. Finally, we are getting negative of that value. Same value we are getting, but negative of that value. Nothing but what about the function? Even or odd? Odd. So here odd function is the right answer. F of x is odd. Okay, students. I told you already, it is not like trigonometry, inverse trigonometry. It's not like matrices and determinant, right? You should be think very logically. Even no need to calculate this. What is the line they given? What they are saying? It is symmetric. Symmetric. Okay. And 12th question. Okay. 12th question clearly. F from R to R is a function satisfying the property f of 2x plus 3 plus f of 2x plus 7 is equal to 2. Then the period of f of x. So if you are having the idea about the periodicity of a function, then you can easily get the answer here. So when you take 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 7 is equal to 2, then we need to find the period, whether it is 2 or 4 or 8 or 12. See, how can we do the students here? F of this value is there, no? Here plus 7 is there, right? Now what I want to do is, I want to do one thing. If you want to solve this for every x value, for x, any substitute any x value, it should be equal to 2 alone. It is a constant function actually. Substitute x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, it will becomes like 2 and the output must be 2. So that you can replace x by any value like x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, anything, it will be equal to 2 alone. Okay, first what I am going to do, I want to substitute x is equal to x plus 1. X plus 1. Next I want to substitute some x plus 2. This is the only way to find the periodicity. F of 2x plus 3 is f of 2x plus 7 is equal to 2 for every belongs to R. X belongs to. So we don't want to substitute the values, so simply replace x by x plus 1. All of you tell me what about left side? 2 into x plus 1, 2x plus 2, that is 2x plus 5. Plus here also replace x by x plus 1, so 2x plus 2 plus 7, 9 is equal to 2. So this is given function as equation 1, given condition, this is equation 2. Then replace x by x plus 2 students. F of 2x plus 7 will get f of 2x plus 11 will get. 7 becomes 9, 9 becomes 11. Here 3 becomes 5, 5 becomes 7. Is right side 2 alone. Okay. So, what do you observe here? F of 2x plus 7, f of 2x plus 7. Right? So then what it will be? You can subtract these two values. F of 2x plus 3. Solving this 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Equation 1 minus 2. Do 1 minus 3. Sorry, 1 minus 3. Then here it is f of 2x plus 3 minus. These two will be cancelled. And cancelling directly, these two will be cancelled. Again, 2 minus 2 also becomes 0. Okay. So f of remaining value alone, this is 2x plus 11 is equal to 0. From this f of 2x plus 3 is equal to f of 2x plus 11. Student, what can you conclude here? What is the, yes, what is the periodic function condition f of x plus t is equal to f of x. Okay, when we write f of x plus t is equal to f of x, f of x is a periodic function with a period capital T. In the same way, anyone, what is the answer here? From that, what is the periodicity? Anyone? F of, what shall we write here? Okay, can anyone tell that what is the T value here, capital T value? Anyone?
8.
Yes, is that 8? Is it 8? Students? Carefully you can observe. So what shall we write here? 2x plus 3 is a right side also. We require f of, yes, 2. Okay, anyhow, you are saying that here f of 2x plus 3 plus 8. Okay. But here, the value not in place of x, you have to check it. F of, shall I write here 2 times of x plus 4 into that 11 as x plus 4 plus 3. Here also we require 3, not 11. Okay. Shall I write like this? Okay, x value. So f of 2x plus 3. Generally, the students they are choosing that 8 because this 2x plus 11 can be written as 2x plus 1. Sorry, 2x plus 3 plus 8. We thought that okay, not like that. Okay, this f of 2x plus 11 can be written as 2 times of x plus 4 plus 3. Plus 3 is a constant. It should be common every function. Plus 3 is common. 2 is common. X also common. But what is the value? It is 4. 4 is the periodic. 4 is the periodic. Next, because you know what we replaced here? What we replaced here? X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, then x plus 4. When you replace x plus 4, again you are going to get given function. So here 4 is the periodic. 4 is the periodic function, right? This is minimum value. Second option is correct. 3 should be repeat. Okay. Finally, we found that f of x is a function. It will be repeating. 3 is common, 2 is common, x is common just for 4. Every multiple of like even it is. So 4 is the answer.